Hello and welcome to Exam 1 Review, video number 2. So in video number 1, we worked problem number 1's income statement. The results of the income statement looked like this. So in video number 2 here, let's go through the next financial statement that we get to prepare, which is the statement of owner's equity. The statement of owner's equity, just like the income statement, always begins with our three-line heading, who, which is whence company, what, which this time is the statement of owner's equity, and then when, and for this one that will be the year ended December 31st, 2017, one more time. Now remember, the statement of owner's equity, what it's trying to show us is the capital balance at the beginning of the period, and then how it changed, and finally the capital balance of the end of the period. Remember, as we discussed in class, there are only 4 things that ever affect owner's equity: investments, withdrawals, revenues, and expenses. And we've actually already combined revenues and expenses into one number called net income right here in the income statement. So that means we're only going to have 3 numbers in between, beginning capital and ending capital, anytime we work the statement of owner's equity. But as I said, it'll always start off with the owner's capital, whence capital as of the beginning of this period. So this is for the year 2017. So we need whence capital as of 1/1/17. If I look back here at this problem info, notice whence capital does say that it's $10,000 right here in the trial balance. However, this trial balance is as of December 31st, 2017. I cannot assume that whence capital was $10,000 as of January 1st. I need to look for some extra information to know if that's correct or not. If I look down here in the instructions one more time, remember it said that we were preparing these 3 financial statements as of the end of the first year of operations. So if this was the first year of operations, what that tells me is that on January 1st, 2017, whence capital couldn't have been anything. It had to begin that year with a balance of $0. Next, I have 2 things that I need to add to that whence capital balance. I need to add any owner contributions, also known as investments. If I look back here at the problem, last sentence of the instructions here says the owner invested $10,000 during the year. That's where that $10,000 came from. That's now part of whence capital. So I have these owner contributions of $10,000 to include. I'm going to put it over here in the left column because there's something else that I need to add. The other item that I need to add is any net income for this year. And we just determined that net income right here was $12,000. So I have net income of $12,000. So right next to that net income number, I just want to say how much in total am I increasing that beginning capital account balance by? And I'm increasing it by $22,000, which means I have a subtotal here, beginning capital of 0 plus a $22,000 increase. I have a subtotal of $22,000. Finally, I just want to say that I need to subtract something. I need to subtract whence's withdrawals. Or you could say owner withdrawals, that'll work as well. If I look back here at my problem info, whence withdrawals right here were $1,500. Now because I'm using that word less, remember I want to put those $1,500 of withdrawals in parentheses as a negative number. I'm just going to do the math there. So 22,000 less that 1,500 gives me a final capital balance of 20,500. I call this whence capital as of 12/31/17. And that's all that there is to the statement of owner's equity.